SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2018 makes it even easier to complete your designs with a series of exciting enhancements. New enhancements allow you to manage elements of the project at a global level with ease. From a new drawing style configuration manager to global attribute styles to wiremarks. The new Project Attribute Style Manager allows designers to define the appearance of attributes throughout the project from one place, a new tab in Project Configurations. With SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2018, turning marks and labels for wires on or off across the whole project is a snap. Terminal strips are much easier to customize in 2018. Terminal strip parts and accessories are now easier to manage than before. Parts can now be added directly to the top-level terminal. Accessories can be added to the strip editor and represented not just in the bill of materials, but also on your terminal strip drawings. As seen here, customizing multi-level terminals has never been faster. New Terminal Mark Mode gives each level a mark independent from the terminal mark for more granularity. The order of level marking is observed during renumber procedures with both vertical and horizontal options. Terminals within a single strip can have different modes, giving you total flexibility in your design. With these and many other fantastic enhancements, SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2018 streamlines electromechanical design process to complete your projects faster.